Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a batch of these pumpkin ring donuts. Let's begin. To start on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place your bread flour along with the salt and give them a good mix just to combine them. You can then go ahead and add in the remaining ingredients, starting with the yeast, followed by the butter, the egg, the pumpkin puree, the milk and the sugar. Then mix this on a low speed to start with for around 2 minutes, followed by a further 6 minutes on a medium-high speed. A dough should form pretty easily and it might be a bit sticky, but this is completely normal as the dough is enriched and that's just fine. Once your dough has formed, you'll then want to flour your work surface with some red flour and then place the dough onto it directly from the bowl. This will just help alleviate some of that stickiness of the dough, but don't add too much otherwise it will change the consistency of the dough later on. Just knead it and bring it into a smooth ball. Once you've got the dough back into a smooth ball shape, you can then place it into a lightly oiled bowl and cover it with cling film, and then leave it to brew for around 45 minutes to an hour, or until the dough has doubled in size. It should be touching the top of the bowl, or almost like mine. Then you can flour your surface again with some bread flour, and place the dough onto it and knock it back. This is the process of removing the gases that have built up in the dough during the first proof. Once you've got the dough knocked back, you can then bring it back into a ball shape by kneading it together. You may need to add a little more flour if it's really quite sticky, but then you'll just want to bring it back into a ball shape as it'll make it easier to start weighing up at the next stage. So now you can start processing the dough and scaling it. So to scale it, take the weight of the dough, divide that by 12 and scale up each individual ball. Roll into a round shape using the palm of your hand on the work surface. Then flatten it out with a small rolling pin and cut out the centre, placing onto a square of greaseproof paper, and repeat this for all 12 of your donuts. Then cover and proof for around half an hour until they've doubled in size. To make the cinnamon sugar coating, you'll just want to place cinnamon and sugar into a bowl and mix the two together until they're fully combined. You can then go ahead and start to fry your donuts off. I like to put 2 in my fryer at a time, but if you've got a bigger fryer, feel free to fry more off. After about a minute on the first side, you can flip it over and fry for a following 1 minute on the other side. Once they've had around a minute on each side and they are golden brown, you can remove them from the oil, shaking off the excess, then placing them onto kitchen towel, allowing the grease to absorb. Grab your cinnamon sugar and coat your donuts in the cinnamon sugar coating. Use as much or as little as you like. I like quite a lot, but that's just me. Who doesn't like cinnamon sugar? Repeat this for all of your donuts. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again next week with some more recipes for you, so join me then. But in the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social media, so don't forget to go and follow me over on there. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.